Welcome to Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer, everyone. We are at part 17, and it is time to do an assignment regarding section 1. That's right. What I would like you to do, if you are so inclined, is I would like you to create a Python program that will convert Celsius temperatures to Fahrenheit. Yes. And you're going to ensure your program accepts a Celsius value from the end user. Finally, of course, your program should follow best practices as covered in our course. As you might guess, the very next video is going to be my solution to this assignment. So you're going to be able to compare your own work in Python with your instructors. That's right. So you'll see my solution in the very next video. Remember how you're going to attack this assignment. The way to do that is to fire up your idle environment for Python. And then what you should do is do a file, new file. And what you're going to do is, of course, create your code here, and you're going to work with this code and debug this code. You're going to be saving this code. I'll save mine to my downloads folder, for example, and I'll just call it temp-convert, for example. Let's get that spelled right. So yeah, you're going to be saving this file and working with this Python file to create, of course, your temp converter. So yes, do it in a new file. And that is what we will come back and take a look at. As I stated in our next video, I will show you my suggested solution for this assignment, and I will see you in that solution video next up.